Hello everyone. This is one more interesting question that related with the rubidium strontium ratio. In the previous video, I have already explained rubidium strontium dating method. Okay, with respect to the diagram that are asked in the question. Okay, just watch that video and try to solve this question by yourself. Okay, and then watch the video. Okay, if you get your answer, but what comes here your mind and you just answer that option. Okay, that is very important to understand. Okay, either you are thinking in a right way or wrong way, you have to understand that one. Okay, don't remember the answers. Okay, otherwise in the next time when question will come now, you will choose the wrong option. Okay, so this question is, if you understand the concept now behind this, okay, these questions are very easy. Okay, and these questions are also scoring. Okay, this question is 4 marks question. Okay, and similar type of questions are coming in repeatedly. Okay, sometimes rubidium strontium, sometimes and DSM, sometimes potassium argon, but and uranium thorium one also. Okay, so if you will understand the one, the concept behind the other one are also similar type of. Okay, only minor changes are there. Okay, because suppose in this case rubidium strontium, okay, is acting as an incompatible element. Okay, in the mantle and in the crust it is act as a compatible element in the. Okay, so now, okay, now apart from this question, okay, if you have any other question, okay, in which you are facing difficulty, okay, you can ask me in the comment box. I will try to solve it for you people. Okay, and share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit, and ask question from the system from wherever you are learning. Okay, and hope you learn something from this video. Okay, now hope you answer your question option. Now I will explain the question, and either you are thinking in the same way or you are thinking another way. That is very important. Okay, now question is, if minerals of igneous protolith are isotopically equilibrated during a short episode of metamorphism, it rubidium strontium mineral isochron will yield. Okay, suppose we have a igneous protolith and that is re-equilibrated. Okay, and some changes are occur in that due to metamorphism. Okay, short metamorphism. Okay, so now we have to tell that rubidium strontium mineral isochron is same or it is getting changed, and if it is getting changed, what it will tell. Okay, and what is the original Rb-Sr mineral isochron, what it tell. Okay, what is the difference between after metamorphism and before metamorphism. Okay, we will understand that one. Okay, so with the diagrammatically we will understand. Okay, suppose from magma one rock is forming. Okay, from magma some rock is forming. Okay, and okay, now in this rock we are getting different type of minerals. Okay, suppose this is one mineral and this is another mineral. Okay, and this is the whole rock. Okay, and this rock is metamorphosed. Okay, and we are getting new minerals. We are getting new minerals. Suppose these are the two minerals that are new minerals. Okay, this is igneous, this is metamorphic after metamorphosed. Okay, so now the bulk composition of both the rocks are same. Okay, igneous as well as metamorphism. Okay, I'm talking about the bulk composition. Okay, now, and while this igneous rock is forming, okay, the magma, that magma have some SR86 in it. Okay, this SR86 is a stable element. Okay, this SR is a stable element. It is not getting changed. Okay, that's why we Rb-Sr no plus beta decay 87. Okay, we use this SR 87. Oh, sorry, 86. Okay, to calculate our values. Okay, with respect to SR 87. Okay. Now these minerals having some, okay, in this magma we are getting Rb and Sr. Rb we are getting Rb 87, okay, 80 Sr 87 also, and Sr 86 also. Okay, now while crystallizing the igneous rock, okay, these minerals are getting formed. These minerals are getting formed, and every mineral have its own property, okay, to take Rb, Sr, okay, Rb and Sr 86 or anything, okay. All minerals will not act as the same, okay. So, but Sr 86 is same for whole rock. It is not getting changed because it is a stable element, okay. So now this mineral is having some value of Rb 87 by Rb 87 by 86 and Sr 87 by 86 also, okay, and this mineral also and this rock also. Okay, we'll plot this value in our graph. We plot this value in our graph. Rb we'll plot this value in this graph. Okay, 87 by SR 86 and Rb 87 by 86. Okay, so for suppose for a whole rock, okay, this is the value, and for this mineral we are getting this value. Okay, for this mineral, suppose we are getting this value or anywhere, okay, this value. Okay, now we are getting a trend. We'll join all these points, okay. Okay, we will calculate for the whole rock, this mineral and this mineral, all we have calculated, okay. Suppose it is falling in this way, and this point will tell us about this ratio. Okay, this will tell us that this point will tell us the source rock having how much SR 87 or SR 86. Okay, in this way we will calculate the age of the source rock. Okay, now after metamorphism, what is going to be changed in this? Okay, now the mineral, all this bulk rock, this mineral and this mineral, radioactivity means Rb Sr 87 is now getting decay, means value of Sr 87 is getting increase in the system, in this rock, in this rock as well as in this mineral. Sorry, in this mineral and this whole rock, all the means Rb is now converting into Sr 87. The value of Sr 87 is getting increased. Okay, so now suppose now after increasing of Sr 87 in the mineral as well in the whole rock, okay, so now suppose metamorphism took place. Okay, so now what is going to happen within these minerals and this whole rock? Okay, bulk composition is same. Okay, I'm not talking about the bulk composition. Overall composition is going to be same. Okay, only the metamorphism took place, but composition of overall rock is not getting changed. Okay, within the mineral changes are there. Okay, so now suppose this rock, okay, initially now SR87 values are getting increased in all the rocks, in rock as well as in these minerals, because with respect to this crystallization took place. Because with respect to this crystallization took place, na? Because these minerals are now changed into a new mineral. Okay, they react with each other, and new minerals are forming with respect to temperature and pressure. And this SR87 by SR86 is now preserving this, and the remaining Rb is also getting added into it. So now we are getting, suppose we are getting new trend. Okay, suppose here is the overall rock. Okay, or consider it as one more mineral. Okay, and we are getting, suppose this triangle, this mineral. Okay, so where we are getting here. Okay, and this mineral, suppose here, a little down. Okay, so now after metamorphism we will get our this, and we will join our minerals. Okay, minerals are rock, you can consider anything. Okay, so now we are getting one more trend line. We are calling it as isochrons. Okay, okay, now this isochron, this point will give us SR87 by SR86, but this SR87 by SR86 is for this rock, from, okay, from where it is, from where the new minerals are forming. Okay, they will give us this one. Okay, now they will tell us, they will not tell us about the original composition of SR87 by SR86. To calculate that one, we will go for this one, before metamorphism. Okay, before metamorphism. So now from this graph, this red dot on this line will tell us about the rock from where our metamorphism took place, means protolith, igneous protolith. Okay, okay, so now we will interpret this in this. Okay, now in first option what they are asking, age of metamorphism. This Rb-Sr mineral isochron will yield age of metamorphism, and low initial Sr sorry, low initial Sr isotope ratio than the protolith initial Sr ratio. Okay, this line will tell us about, this line will tell us about the age of metamorphism. Okay, we will take this value and put our in formula, and we will get the age of the metamorphism. Okay, one thing it is giving. Next thing is with respect to initial, this one is the initial Rb-Sr ratio, no? Sr, this is the initial one. Okay, or source rock, source rock value is this one. Now within the metamorphism, this one, its value is getting increase or decrease. SR87 by SR86 value is getting increase or decrease. I told you na, because due to decay of 87, this SR value is increase in the metamorphism, and within the mineral also it getting decrease, increase. Okay, so our values are getting, SR isotope ratio is getting increase. Okay, suppose here it is 0, here it is 10. From this itself we can calculate, na? This is, so from source, this metamorphic event have higher value of SR87 by 86. Okay, 87 by, you understand why it is happening, why this SR87 is increased. Okay, within the igneous rock it is already there. Due to this decay, this Rb, this SR value is increasing, and now again that rock is metamorphosed and new minerals are forming. With respect to that, SR is getting into it now. Okay, next thing is, now from the initial is less, this is the metamorphism. Okay, from metamorphism is greater than, SR87 ratio is greater than from igneous rock. Okay, So this option lower is wrong. We will read our next option. Age of metamorphism higher initial SR ratio than the protolith of the initial SR ratio. Yes, this option is right. Okay, this is higher than the original protolith. Okay, original protolith have less value. Okay, now third option is age of protolith and the same initial SR ratio as that of the protolith. No, it is not same, and it is not giving the age of the protolith. Okay, that's why this option is wrong. This option is wrong because of this. Here we are not getting lower, it is higher. Okay, and last one is geologically meaningless age. No, it has a meaning. Okay, in this way we have to interpret our question. Okay, once you will understand 2-3 times this question, next time you will able to understand the question. Okay, so now if you need more concept video on this one, okay, or any method you want to understand, okay, you just mention in the comment box. I will try to solve that. Okay, means prepare that one with respect to that. Okay, or any question that you face difficulty, you just mention in the comment box. Okay, share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit. And these questions you will understand while discussion. Okay, also, so watch this video and discuss with your friends, discuss with me if you want more detail. Okay, in this way we will go. So hope you learn something from this video and ask question from the system from wherever you are learning. Don't wait for the opportunity. Okay, thank you.